Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can equip ears without putting on earrings on Dress to Impress. So for instance, it just looks kind of weird without it. You can actually enable default ears here. So go to settings, you can either enable it or disable it. Press yes if you want to turn it on. As you can see, you'll have ears even though you don't have earrings on, like this. If you want to turn it back off again, it's so simple. Just select settings and then select no for the default ears. But I quite like it with. But that is how you can equip your default ears on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.